Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X3 versus the Audi Q5 off-road capabilities. We'll dive into how these popular luxury SUVs handle challenging terrain. Understanding their strengths and limitations is key to choosing the right vehicle for your adventures. We will examine their all-wheel drive systems, ground clearance, and crucial off-road angles to help you decide which one is better suited for your needs. The BMW X3 comes equipped with its intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system. This system proactively distributes power, sending up to 100% of torque to either axle for maximum grip. With a robust ground clearance of approximately 8.3 inches, the X3 can confidently navigate uneven surfaces. Its approach angle of 25.7 degrees and departure angle of 22.6 degrees further enhance its ability to tackle steep inclines and declines. The Audi Q5 boasts the renowned Quattro all-wheel drive, with newer versions featuring ultra technology that intelligently switches between two-wheel and all-wheel drive for efficiency and traction. It offers a respectable ground clearance of about 8.2 inches, making it suitable for light off-road conditions and rough roads. Certain Q5 models also include an Off-Road Plus mode, optimizing vehicle settings for improved performance on challenging terrains. When comparing the BMW X3 versus the Audi Q5 for off-road prowess, the X3 generally holds an edge with its slightly greater ground clearance and more aggressive approach and departure angles. However, the Audi Q5, with its sophisticated Quattro system and available off-road modes, is a highly capable performer for light trails and slippery conditions. Your choice depends on the intensity of your off-road adventures. For more great deals and product recommendations, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.